Someone complain?
Nobody complain.
Oh, okay.
I want to clean this.
Oh, okay. Before someone complains.
Before somebody complain, we're gonna clean it.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. This kid right here, overtime.
Okay.
I let pay overtime.
Okay, just tell me how much.
Yeah, later.
Uh-oh.
24 hours.
Ashley. And there's Talia. What? Very, very faint, but yep, I see a rainbow. Milan. Hello. Alright, Thursday's done. Royal's dog. They're working on the roof trusses. Oops. Before the roof shows up next week. Another successful sunny, no rain. Might get a full week of work. Okay, they have not started on this side yet. But there's a piece of metal right there. Electrical is okay. Light switches are right there. Down in there. I'm hitting my head. Okay, electrical's not in on this side yet. I put the receptacle up high enough. Where's the other ones? All right. What? I ain't gonna show Chana that. All right. And I guess. Oh, outside stuff. The fascia. All right. Questions? 1, 2, 3. I have to show Chona. There's not enough receptacles in this bedroom. 1. It's not enough. Miscommunication. We'll get it worked out. All right. All right. Yay. Thursday. Done. Two more days, and week 10 is over. All right, Friday. Just after quitting time. It's been a little drizzly all day. Rainbow. I don't know how it comes out on camera. Oh, look. At least now we're to stages of completion. If it gets a little drizzly, they just come down underneath and work from the ground up. We have a new wall and rafter for the roof. I am not going up that ladder. It was sketchy before, so this is how many levels of beyond sketchy now. No thanks. Then you gotta maneuver up and over and around it. Yeah, screw that. There was enough done down here this morning, or today. Gonna be a off the dirty kitchen little bedroom nook that Taloiloi, aka Robel, Royal's youngest son who's still in high school. All right. Huh? Fifth work day in a row. I don't think we've had a full 6-day work week because there's enough to do underneath here. So even if it's too wet to be up on top, there's enough roof and there's enough overhang. Everybody will be here tomorrow. It'll be the first full 6-day work week, and geez, since before Christmas. All right. Screw that. I'm going right there. It's just around the corner and there's still dirt everywhere on the floor. So, yay, Friday's over. They're going right there. I know. I was just putting my shoes on. This stupid red light come on. Good. We're recording. Yay! Friday, Saturday. 4:30. Quitting time. We're giving the guys a barbecue. In the Southern Leyte Electric Company. They're going to still be here. The ladders are here. Wiring in our second meter. Look at it. So this got, maybe he's done. So this from the pole. Okay. Electricians are roughing in the lights. Hey, gonna be a light switch. So Chona just wants the 3 lights. And I see the outlet, outlet, and outlet. That'll make Chona happy. Pole. I'm not sure how they're going to secure it so we can fly our supply line down here from the second meter that is second meter is going to supply for the second story addition and the parking garage shed lot. For the, okay. For the what? Oh, for the doors. Oh, she ran to So Good and back already? Oh. Okay. He left his ladders. Oh. It's been raining all day. Anything from a light drizzle to a heavy drizzle to what we got now. Rendering of the walls that they put up. Not much work on the roof because it's been raining all day. So the guys are gonna have a Saturday evening barbecue courtesy of us, which will lead into drinking and card play. Except for Darwin. He's a family guy. He'll go home. After he eats, of course. He'll get his free meal. Coals are obviously got some dampness to them on this.
Ito may butang iniwaan.
Ako pa man kailangan nito.
Ito may butang iniwaan. Ganun na, balikan na.
Yeah, you're burning it.
Gol, dali agol.
All right. End of week 10. They worked all 6 days. Maybe we'll be that lucky next week. Yeah, maybe. Work all 6 days next week. Yeah, me too. All right. Yay.